Ever heard of Alan Watts? The legendary philosopher has captivated minds around the world with his profound insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most life-changing messages that might just alter the way you view your existence. Stay tuned, because you don't want to miss how Watts' wisdom can transform your daily life and unlock a deeper understanding of the universe. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for a journey into the mind of a master thinker. Alan Watts was a British philosopher, writer and speaker, best known for his interpretations of Eastern philosophy for Western audiences. Born in 1915, Watts became fascinated with the Far East early in life, delving deeply into the works of Zen and Buddhism. His philosophy, however, was a unique blend that also incorporated ideas from Hinduism, Taoism, Christianity, among other traditions. Watts had a profound ability to bridge the gap between the ancient wisdom of the East and the pragmatic mindset of the West. He argued that modern society is trapped in a vicious cycle of endless desire and striving, which leads to profound dissatisfaction and a sense of meaninglessness. Watts suggested that the solution to this dilemma lies not in securing more achievements or possessions, but in understanding the fundamental nature of our own consciousness and the universe. Central to Watts' teachings was the concept of the unity of opposites, a perspective that sees all opposing forces and contradictions as integrally connected and interdependent. This leads to a view of life as an intricate play of phenomena without the sharp separations that our logical minds tends to impose. He often emphasized the importance of living fully in the present moment, an idea encapsulated in his popular phrase, "The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance." By presenting these ideas with eloquence and wit, Alan Watts offered a refreshing outlook on life that encouraged self-exploration and a deep, intuitive understanding of the cosmos. His work continues to inspire those seeking to grasp a deeper reality and find serenity in the ever-changing landscape of this existence. In the journey of life, individuals often encounter profound struggles and existential questions that can lead to periods of deep introspection and sometimes profound unease. One of the most pervasive of these challenges is the search for meaning. In a world that often emphasizes material success and external achievements, many find themselves questioning the purpose of their existence and the value of their pursuits. This quest for meaning can trigger feelings of dissatisfaction and a nagging sense that there must be more to life than the daily grind. Another common struggle is the fear of uncertainty as people navigate through challenges, be it in careers, relationships, or personal growth. They face the daunting reality of not knowing what the future holds. This uncertainty can be paralyzing, leading to anxiety and a reluctance to make decisions or take risks, even when such actions are necessary for personal development. Additionally, the pursuit of happiness presents a paradox. The more directly one chases after happiness, the more elusive it can seem. This conundrum often results in a cycle of brief highs followed by longer periods of discontent, as the achievements and pleasures that were expected to provide lasting happiness instead led to only transient satisfaction. These struggles are compounded by societal pressures and the complex demands of modern life, which push individuals towards constant productivity and perfection, leaving little room for genuine self-discovery and fulfillment. Such conditions can exacerbate feelings of isolation and alienation, making the fundamental human quest for meaning and happiness even more challenging. These universal dilemmas reflect the deep-seated need for a better understanding of what it truly means to live a fulfilling life. Alan Watts explored the nature of reality, the self, and the universe with profound insight and poetic clarity, challenging conventional Western thought with Eastern philosophies. One of the most pivotal insights is the concept of the self as an illusion. Watts argued that the notion of a separate individual self, distinct from the rest of the universe, is a fallacy. He suggested that we perceive as the self is merely a convention, a useful fiction to navigate societal structures, but not a true reflection of the underlying reality. Watts often drew from Hindu and Buddhist traditions, emphasizing the idea that all individual entities are interconnected parts of a larger dynamic world. He used the metaphor of the universe as a cosmic dance, with each part moving in perfect harmony with the whole. This perspective invites us to see ourselves not as isolated beings struggling against the world, but as an integral component of a greater and a beautifully complex system. Additionally, Watts delved into the nature of reality as something that is not fixed, but fluid and ever-changing. He challenged the linear, mechanistic view of the universe prevalent in the West, proposing instead the reality is more accurately described as an organic process. In the view, understanding comes not from dominating or resisting the flow of life, but from moving with it. Embracing change as an essential and an enriching aspect of existence. Through these insights, Watts encouraged a radical shift in perception from anxiety and antagonism towards life's unpredictability to a joyous participation in the natural rhythms of the universe. He taught that by realizing our true nature and the illusory quality of our individual separateness, we can find a deeper sense of peace and connectedness with all that is. This shift, according to Watts, is key to living a life of genuine happiness and fulfillment. A pivotal moment in Alan Watts' teachings that offers a profound shift in perspective revolves around his illuminating discussion on the concept of "you are it." This revelation is at the heart of his philosophy and serves as a radical call to re-examine our understanding of the self and the universe. Watts proposed that the distinction we make between ourselves and the outside world is a societal construction, an illusion that hinders our understanding of our true nature. He famously asserted, "You are not a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop." This metaphor encapsulates his belief that everyone is not separate from the universe, but is an expression of the universe itself. This insight is transformative. It shifts the perspective from one of isolation and individual struggle to a recognition of unity and interconnectedness with the cosmos. When individuals realize that they are not merely in the universe, but they are the universe, it changes how they perceive their role in the world. It alleviates the existential weight of feeling alone or alienated and imbues everyday actions with a deeper sense of purpose and connection. This realization can be liberating, revealing that the boundaries between the self and the rest of the world are more permeable than rigid. Such an understanding encourages a more harmonious way of living, promoting greater empathy, peace, and a profound appreciation for the interconnected nature of all things. For many who encounter Watts' teachings, this moment of realization marks a significant turning point, offering a new lens through which to view life and their place within it. This is not just philosophy, it's a practical and profound way to approach life, promising deeper fulfillment and joy in the dance of existence. Alan Watts' teachings offer profound insights that challenge conventional views of identity, existence, and the nature of reality, providing a transformative philosophical journey for anyone willing to explore his ideas. Central to his message is the understanding that the self is not a separate entity, but an integral part of a vast, interconnected universe. This perspective dissolves the illusion of individual isolation and fosters a sense of deep connectedness with the cosmos. Watts' exploration into Eastern philosophies like Zen, Buddhism, Hinduism, and Taoism presents the idea that the life is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be experienced. His teachings encourage embracing the present moment, flowing with the natural rhythms of life, and perceiving the world through a lens of wonder and intrinsic value rather than the thought of the metrics often favored by Western thought. One of the most impactful takeaways from Watts is the concept of "you are it," which invites individuals to recognize themselves as not just passive observers, but as active expressions of the universe. This realization can radically alter one's approach to life, shifting from a narrative of separation and competition to one of unity and cooperation. The transformative power of Alan Watts' wisdom lies in its ability to expand the mind's boundaries and alter one's perception of self and the world. His philosophical legacy continues to inspire those seeking to find deeper meaning and harmony in life. By integrating his insights, individuals can navigate life's complexities with greater ease and a more profound appreciation of the intricate tapestry of existence, leading to a richer, more fulfilling experience of being alive. That's the end of the video. If you like what you've saw, heard, watched, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, and remember to stay stoic.